Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dexana token. Now the Dexana token is trending number 2 right now on Dex Screener, doing very well. Their token just dropped 3 hours 53 minutes ago on Raydium, a brand new pool created on Raydium. Now this is a decentralized exchange. You can tell by the name Dexana. And like I said, on the Solana blockchain brand new token, we're going to go over the information on the Dexana token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is dexana.exchange. They have a Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there, at Dexana_. This token is up 128% right now in the past 24 hours. Their market cap is $1.8 million. They have $2.4 million in liquidity in Raydium. Trending number 2 on Dex Screener. Pool was just created 3 hours ago, and they have a 24-hour trading volume of $5.7 million. So doing very well. You can find their document section at dexana.gitbook.io/docs. So it says, Dexana is engineered to be a highly intuitive and straightforward decentralized crypto exchange. Deployed on the Solana blockchain, it promises to be an efficient, secure, and easily navigatable environment for trading a broad spectrum of cryptocurrencies. The platform prioritizes a superior trading experience, stringent security, and educational growth. Dexana is poised to reshape the crypto trading arena, welcoming both newcomers and seasoned investors. So why would you choose Dexana? Well, it says the landscape of cryptocurrency trading has surged dramatically, drawing a growing crowd eager to tap into its potential. Yet many decentralized exchanges grapple with issues like sluggish transaction times, steep fees, and security gaps. Dexana addresses these challenges head-on by utilizing the Solana's blockchain groundbreaking technology, setting a stage for a revolutionary trading platform. So the foundation on the Solana blockchain, Dexana distinguishes itself as the pioneering exchange on the Solana blockchain, exploiting its high-performance features to offer ultra-fast transaction speeds and expansive scalability. Solana's cutting-edge technology ensures swift trade executions and reduced network traffic, enhancing user experience significantly. Dexana presents a wide array of cryptocurrencies for trading, like major assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and notably Solana tokens. This broad assortment of trading pairs offers ample opportunities for portfolio diversification and market exploration. At Dexana, the user's experience is paramount. The platform boasts an intuitive, straightforward interface that accommodates both newcomers and seasoned traders. Whether it's executing trades, managing portfolios, or leveraging advanced trading tools, Dexana ensures a smooth and efficient user journey. At the core of Dexana's operations is a commitment to security. The platform integrates top-tier encryption and stringent privacy measures to protect users' assets and personal data. This solid security foundation is designed to counteract cyber threats and maintain platform integrity, allowing users to trade with confidence. Dexana is dedicated to enriching its community's trading prowess through extensive educational materials, including articles, videos, and tutorials on a variety of topics such as trading techniques, market trends, and cryptocurrency basics. This educational commitment helps cultivate a well-informed and skilled trading community. Dexana is at the forefront of the evolving world of cryptocurrency trading, merging Solana's blockchain advanced technology with a user-focused design, top-tier security, and a wealth of educational content. As the go-to platform for trading Solana tokens and other digital currencies, Dexana is shaping the future of digital asset engagement. Join the Dexana community today and step into the next era of cryptocurrency trading. Now, how the token is split up here. We got 80% of the tokens going to distribution, and that is in circulation, it says. Then we have 5% going to trading challenges, where tokens will be rewarded to traders for trading challenges through our leaderboard. And then they have soul scans for all of these allocations on their document section. 5% will be going to airdrops, 5% development tokens, and 5% marketing tokens. So Dexana stands out not merely as another decentralized exchange, but as a robust ecosystem crafted to redefine the interactions with digital assets. It merges cutting-edge features with user-centric design to deliver an unmatched trading experience for both newcomers and seasoned cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Dexana features a straightforward and navigatable user interface that allows users to effortlessly access various functions and execute transactions. Whether you're an experienced trader or a newcomer to the crypto sphere, the platform's simplicity aids in efficiently buying, selling, and managing digital assets. Offering a broad spectrum of trading pairs, they enable users to broaden their investment horizons and leverage multiple market opportunities. The platform supports a variety of crypto and their sophisticated trading tools, cross-chain functionality, uncompromised security and trust, and active community engagement. So there's also revenue sharing with trading fees, staking rewards, overview of profit sharing, how the profit sharing operates with passive revenue, alignment of interests, encouraging participation. So basically benefits for Dexana and the holders and users. And then they have how-to guides on their document section of how to buy and sell, deposit and withdraw, search tokens, back up your wallet, find trending and new pairs. So check it all out, dexana.gitbook.io. You can find this trending right now on Dex Screener. They are trending number 2 still, doing pretty well today. Go check. Actually, they're trending number 5 also. Number 2 and number 5, taking up a couple spots. So yeah, go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.